Nissan Bulavinaka and bonjour. My name is Temesia Tuicaumia. I'm a fashion designer here in Fiji that focuses on menswear and womenswear and bridging the Pacific Island fashion to the Western. Sports fashion has been an interest of mine for a couple of years right now because I recently joined the gym. As you know, after the pandemic, there was a lot of personal situations going on with the body, and so I joined the gym. And when I joined the gym, I realized here in the Pacific, we don't really have active wear garments made in Fiji, and so I stepped into it. I dabbled a little bit, and I was able to do something with the European Union where we could possibly envision what the Fijian Olympic team would look like if they wore something with a little touch of fashion from Fiji. Alright, here's the big reveal. Oh my goodness. Now, I do menswear and women's wear, and I really do like to play around with corporate wear, and I am loving what I'm seeing. They have blazers. This is the group photo. So they have their blazers on, and the women have like a little amazing touch of masculinity with femininity in there. Sleeveless blazers. That's my favorite because we're in Fiji, right? We can't really wear like a full-on, well, I'm wearing it right now, but I'm in the wet side. But summer, right? This is the best suit for the summer. Their shoes. They're literally wearing sneakers with their suits. I think I need to start doing this too. And they have like the amazing colors of the French flag, literally on the lapel, the handkerchief. Kid you not, this is how important detail is. It's on the belt as well. This is amazing. It's literally like spray paint, like on the garment, but it isn't. So that's really cool how they did that. They look so like professional. Like it's amazing to see athletes dressed up so well. Even the women are wearing scarves. That's so cool. I think I'm in love with the women's shoes. Oh, but the girls too are wearing the sneakers. Oh, I cannot wait to see this being revealed to everyone. The fashion industry in France has influenced Fiji and the Pacific in a big way. From the garments that we wear every day here in Fiji and the Pacific to haute couture being such a big inspiration. Indigenous art has been looked at and has been merged into the fashion industry here in Fiji, and there's no other place to get amazing inspiration than the haute couture shows that happen in France. Even for me, with my men's collection, sportswear, to have brands in France being able to pave the way for young fashion designers like myself, those that are small, medium enterprises, those that are stepping into the industry here in Fiji and the Pacific. It's exciting to see how indigenous fashion can merge and be inspired by the fashion industry in France.